home in Coron-Palawan. This is room 305, and this is at Mountain View Garden Inn in Coron-Palawan. This is the view outside my room. This is their famous Mount Tapias, 720 steps as per our tour guide yesterday. But we weren't able to go there due to weather condition. It's slippery and it's not advisable to climb. On the other side, this is the view. As you can see mountain views. Fresh mornings and good morning for everyone. And of course, my favorite. This later this afternoon, or I will spend my entire day or morning or entire day tomorrow swimming and swimming and swimming. There you go. Got a view. This is my room. Let's go inside. Sit. Room 305, Mountain View Garden Inn in Coron. Let's go! Mountain View Garden Inn in Coron-Palawan. This is my home for 3 nights here in Coron-Palawan. I am at room 305 as they also have their pool there. So tomorrow I'll be swimming.